system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Small showers advisory now in effect with rain and fog. The temperature was 54 degrees. Dew point 51. Humidity.
Alright, there we go. I think that's the first weekly test with this. The first weekly test with the running. Sorry, right sheet MDG 19. Alright, there you go. Back to the Taekwondo trophy over there, yay. There. Over there, that one off. And then that. Alright, until the next, the Frederick County WX.